Remember the Vykovsky kingpins? 300 meters downrange. You fired once, they both fell. Beautiful.
That's not the word I would choose. You can't take Talon down by yourself, Jack.
Maybe not, but then... I've always liked being the underdog.
Establishing aerial position.
Put them in the ground.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Check your corners out there.
Enemy contact.
Take everything from them.
I'll make sure that doesn't stop.
Come get here.
Thank you.
I'll pick you up.
This calculation will cost you everything. We must capture this territory. You follow them. Now do you see your error? I expected more from the fabled Crusaders. Take everything from them. I will speak to you in the language you understand. Violence.
Capture underway.
Put them in the ground.
on top of the world.
Objective A captured.
Barrage incoming.
Everyone heal up.
Was there any doubt?
Tear victory from your grasp.
Push me when my back's to the wall.
Aerial positioning underway.
The flames of liberation rise.
Get out of my way or I'll run you over.
Take everything from them.
Let's give them their medicine.
Devour them. Suffer as I have.
Gale the Mahal!
Take everything from them.
Not on my watch.
Thank you.
Dispersing.
Put them in the ground.
I'm on fire.
Devour them. I am moving outnumbered. Put I will break before I heal.
Administered.
I feel unstoppable. They have us outnumbered.
Devour them. I'm a man on a I will tear victory from your grasp.
Watch your back.
The
Tactical visor activated.